Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a crypto ledger. First, unbox your new ledger device and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. You'll create a PIN code and write down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for restoring your funds if your device is lost or damaged, so keep it safe and offline. Never share it with anyone. To send or receive cryptocurrency, connect your ledger to your computer or smartphone. Open the Ledger Live application, which acts as your interface. When receiving, simply copy your wallet address from Ledger Live. For sending, enter the recipient's address and the amount. Crucially, always confirm the transaction details directly on your Ledger device's screen before approving. Your recovery phrase is the most critical component of your crypto security. Treat it like physical cash or gold. Write it down on the provided recovery sheet and store it in multiple secure, offline locations. Avoid storing it on any digital device, like your phone or computer, as this exposes it to online risks. This phrase is your ultimate backup. To maintain optimal security, regularly update your Ledger's firmware using Ledger Live. These updates often include important security enhancements. Always buy your Ledger directly from the official website to avoid counterfeit devices. Be vigilant against phishing scams. Never enter your recovery phrase or PIN on any website or application other than your physical device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.